What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you, what's goody, what's good? Hey guys, I really wanted to take some time out to shoot this video today about opportunity, or about a system here that has multiple opportunities inside of the system. And it's allowing members to make a minimum of $300+ a day with the system. I mean, this system is something very amazing, guys. If you check out a lot of my previous videos, I talk about making money online and different strategies, different things that you can do online. But with this particular system here, it's one income stream, one link, multiple income streams. So with that being said, is that a lot of people, they'll join the business and that's it. So you want to have something. Literally, I'm like Walmart. I consider myself like Walmart. I may have something for somebody, but something else may not be for that person. So I want to have things in place for that person who didn't want to choose the main opportunity that I was promoting. So I have multiple things, but the thing is that these are programs that you can utilize they're evergreen programs that anyone could utilize. I choose these type of programs because the make money online niche is a very big niche, and there are so many people, and people need marketing systems, they need education, they need tools. These are things that they're going to need in their business. So these are the type of things that I actually like to talk about, and these are the type of things that I like to promote, because regardless of how many people are involved in the business, everyone's looking for leads, everyone's looking for tools, everyone's looking for new ways to generate leads. And a lot of the products that I have, it helps you. It helps you put your business on autopilot. It helps you generate more leads. So these are the things that I'm involved in. Now with this particular system, it's the exact same way. It's going to have everything that you're literally going to need. See, when you go to Walmart, Walmart has everything. When you go to McDonald's, if McDonald's was just specialized in burgers, then you think about how much money they would lose. So they have to do things as far as chicken nuggets for people that like chicken. They have to do things as shakes or the salads and stuff like that, for somebody to feel like they want to be eating healthy. These are things that they put in place because they know that they can lose business if they don't have those type of things in place. So that's why they will have multiple things that you can order from McDonald's. It's not just one thing. And that's how you want to be, So I understand that someone may be dedicated or married to something and they don't want to look into anything else, which is cool. But what about all the other people that is looking to make some money, and they're like, what, that program is cool, but I think I like this program a lot better. So I like to have things set up. So if you hear me ever use the word serial entrepreneur, serial marketer, that's what it is, because I know how to pretty much put my businesses on autopilot and send traffic to them and pretty much just let it work on its own. Once you learn a skill like that, these type of businesses, you can join anything that you want to join and you're going to make money. Okay, now with this system, I actually give you some added on bonuses. So you're going to get a free vacation stay, and you're also going to get a dinner voucher for you and your spouse or significant other, whatever, whatever you want to use it to. So I'm going to give you a $100 voucher as well. With that, and you're also going to get my social media ads training, because I want to make sure that you succeed. I want to make sure that you have the tools that you're going to need to get to the next level, and there's no way that you're going to get to the next level if no one provides you with the tools. So once you join me in this Funnel X system, I'm going to provide you the tools that you're going to need. Okay, so just take a look, get position, pick your product level, whatever it is, and get going. And if you have questions, reach out to me. However, I won't know where you're at, where's your issues, what's going on if you don't reach out. I don't read minds. I just don't assume, because I have experienced marketers and I have people that are not so experienced. So the experienced marketers, they don't need me. They just, say, hey, he's a cool person, I'll just join him. But the people that are not experienced, they do need a little help. They need to understand that you can put together marketing funnels, that you send traffic, targeted traffic, people that are interested in making money online. So we show you how to find these type of people, and you put your business in their face, so that way they join. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys, because I'm done talking about it. I want you to click the link. It's not just me making money, it's multiple people making money. So like I mentioned, if you want to make a minimum of $300 a day plus, or 300 plus, you want to check this system out, man. One link, multiple income streams. It doesn't get better than that. All right, so I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom. Hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, share this video with someone who you think that can definitely benefit from it. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this up. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.